Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon Delzer. I am a 5th grade teacher from Northern California and mother of 2, and a lover of technology. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create assignments in the EnVision Math website and how it goes directly to your Google Classroom. Starting from your portal, you'll want to search for the Savvas EnVision, and your name should already be in there. And there's a couple ways to make sure you link your Google Classroom to this account. One way I'll show you is just to simply click on the curriculum that you use. It might ask you which curriculum you're using the first time, and then you should see this menu. On here, you'll click Classes, and you'll notice that automatically I had my Common Core 5th grade Delzer class on here. I had to press Import Google Classes and look for the one that I renamed. Even though it is connected to San Juan, this is my Google Classroom that I have renamed that's shared with my admin and other teachers. So I had to first import that classroom to connect it. And now, when my students do work or when I make assignments, it goes directly to Google Classroom. If you ever find that it's not doing that, you can always come back here and press Sync with Google. But it typically updates and syncs fairly well. You might occasionally need to do that. Now that my classes are synced, I can go back to my curriculum and I can assign things directly from here to my Google Classroom, like so. I'm just going to start in topic 1 and show you how to add one assignment. So I'm in lesson 1-1, and let's just say that I would like to assign the daily Common Core review. It's something I like my students to do on their own. I'm going to click that box, and I'm going to go to Assign Selected. It's going to create the assignment for me. I can title it whatever I'd like to. For example, I like to title things with the date first so my students know when it was assigned. And then you'll need to give it a start date and a due date. You can add any instructions here if you'd like, or do those later in your Google Classroom. Where it connects to your Google Classroom is over here on the right. When you click on the box, you'll start typing your name, for example. You'll see I have a couple of things that come up here. I've named my Google Classroom and connected it to this personalized name, and click Assign. Now you'll see that it's green and it's showing me that it's assigned to my class. Back at Google Classroom, if I click on classwork, it will automatically show up on the very top. Now it's grayed out because, again, I assigned it for Monday, so it's scheduled for Monday, but I can go in here and edit that and add any other directions that I'd like to at this time. I can rename, add instructions, and I can decide, you know what, yeah, it's for Monday, but I'm going to link it to my HyperDoc for Monday, so I actually don't want it scheduled ahead of time. It will not let me link it. From here, you can do any other things that you want to do for categories, due dates, and topics. I always put mine in a teacher file so that students can't access it until I link it. Now press Assign, and I'll show you where it is in my classwork. I keep all my assignments down here in a file that's just for me. Now that I see my assignment is here, 824 Topic 1-1 Review, I can click on these 3 dots and click Copy Link. Now in my HyperDoc, I can link directly to this assignment. So over in my HyperDoc, I have my slide for math. I will add a lot to this later, but for the purposes of this video, I will show you how I might click or add and link that assignment here. I might just type click here for today's assignment. Of course, my slide will be much prettier than this later. And I like to choose the word here for my link. You can choose any word you'd like. You may also choose a picture or anything you really want to choose. Then you're going to click link. On the MacBook, the short command is Command K, and you will simply paste that link that's on your clipboard right now and press Apply. Now when students click this link, you'll see right here it says classroom.google, and guess what? That goes directly not just to my Google Classroom, but to the actual assignment. This is what makes HyperDoc so great for students. Now they're here already. They can see when this is due, how many points it's worth, and they can click right there to open into their math program and take or do this assignment. The first time they do this, or if they have multiple accounts on a computer like I do, they'll have to click which account they'd like to open this assignment through, obviously choosing their school account. And since I'm a teacher, I see it this way, but I can press preview and take a look and see how they see it as a student, and even click on it and play around with it if I'd like. So that's all there is to it. Don't forget to start off in Savvas EnVision Math so that you make sure you import your Google Classroom so that it can do most of the work for you. Have fun signing your math assignments this year.